Hello everyone, I wanted to share a helpful resource that I've been using for my online math instruction for my students. This is an online whiteboard that I have stumbled across that's been extremely helpful. It's called awapp.com, and again, I've been using it mainly for my math instruction, and if you're not teaching math as one of your content areas, hopefully this video is helpful and you're able to utilize this awesome resource in one way or another. Also, if there's an easier way to do what I'm about ready to demonstrate, please let me know. This is just the easiest route that I've been able to travel down in order to get the end result that I'm looking for. I'm no way a tech savvy person, so if there's an easier way, please just let me know. But this is what I've been doing and it's been helpful, so I thought I would share with my fellow teachers. This website's called Awapp, again, an interactive whiteboard. I've been using it for math and using the Eureka Math curriculum and getting the content that I need right off the Engage New York website. I'm going to show you how I have been working on that, and hopefully it's something that you'll be able to utilize over these next few trying weeks as well. So if I go over to my tab for my Engage New York website, and I find the content on the PDF that I'm looking for instruction, there's a graphic that I want to include in my interactive whiteboard on that website. In order to take this graphic off the PDF, I've been using the Snipping Tool. I'm not sure if Mac users have the Snipping Tool. I know I have it on my PC, so hopefully it's something that's universal. If you don't have it pinned on your taskbar, it's something you can search in your Start menu, but it's just looks like a pair of scissors with a oval that it's cutting through. Once you've selected the Snipping Tool, you're going to want to hit New, and it allows you to take portions of the website or the screen that you're looking at. Once you have selected the image, you're going to want to save it. So I'm going to right click, save. I already have a couple of images already saved. I'm going to call it Capture 2, save it. Once I have the image that I'm looking for saved, I can close out of there. Now this is the text that I want to include in my lesson online. So I'm going to copy the text right off the PDF on the website and just right click, copy. Now I'm going to go over back to my website. To upload that image that I just saved from the PDF, I'm going to hit the plus sign down here at the bottom, and I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to upload my capture that I've just taken. I'm going to move it to where I want it, place image. Now I'm going to add the text, so I'm going to go to my text icon. I'm going to add my text bubble right here. My cursor is already selected, so I'm just going to right click, paste. I should be able to paste it. There we go. Paste all of my text. I can go back in and I can space it out a little more so it's easier to read and to type on. And then what's really cool about this website is, as I'm going to be recording this lesson with Screencastify or Screenomatic, this is a very intricate geometry concept for my 5th graders, so I'm going to use different colors as I'm highlighting the different portions of these rectangular prisms. So when working, oh goodness, I want that image back. See, I told you guys I'm not extremely tech savvy. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to select my pen cursor, and I can choose a different color when I'm referencing different parts of this rectangular prism. I can change the color when I'm working with the other prism over here to kind of highlight what it is I'm focusing on with my students, circle, do whatever I have to do. I also have the erase capability. I've been just finding this website extremely helpful when working with these geometry concepts with my students. Again, if you're finding it useful, that's awesome. If it's not something you'll utilize, not a big deal. And if I'm going about this the hard way, please feel free to let me know. Just thought I would share it with you guys during this difficult time. Take care, stay safe, and go Bobcats!